Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeyer. Today we're actually going to be talking about Macurco brand gas detection parts. Now, ISA is a direct distributor for Macurco. We stock a lot of these parts. In my hand right here, this is actually a carbon monoxide detector. This is the CM-E1. Now, we can help you out with basically any kind of Macurco request that you might have. So, if you need help, maybe you need data sheets, trying to find out, make sure you're getting the right one for the service you're trying to provide to your customer, make sure you're contacting your account manager. We'll be glad to send you over data sheets, information on it, and help you try to decide exactly what you're needing to fill your customers' needs. Again, this is Nick Dumeyer speaking about Macurco for us here at ISA, and we'll talk to you again soon.